Dude, so let's chat about your car.
Okay.
Now, I know this car was a labor of love many years. Then you finally got the car, and you were one of the unlucky guys that driving the car home, you blew the motor.
Yeah, first day, first drive, maiden drive. I think about 3.5 k's into the journey, the motor blew and it shot a rod through the sump. And car set alight. This whole side of the car was flaming. And luckily we managed to get it out. Chucked some sand from the side of the road onto the engine and the fire, and we got it out. And
So when the engine blew, something you could repair or paperweight?
Look, I had the motor stripped, and the guy said to me, I'm looking at about 58,000 just for spares, because it's a 383 stroker. And I managed, fortunate enough to get another motor, second one, at a steal. I stole the motor. So
Yeah, so there were two people trying to steal that motor, and I think I was the
you
one.
were one, yes.
But you needed the motor more.
Much
So, tell me, what does a Cobra mean to you? Or let's rephrase the question. I know what it means to you. Where did it start for you?
It started at the age of about 8 years old. My dad showed me a Cobra on the road. We were driving, he says, check that car. And I think it hit me from the beginning. So, lifelong dream. I promised myself I'd have a Cobra by the age of 25. Didn't happen. I said 30. Didn't happen. I gave up at about 35.
And how old are you now?
I'm 47.
Yes, dude. So listen, the big thing for Cobra owners, and I think every young boy out there, every little guy that walks past here today who sees these cars, you have to fall in love with it. You know,
you can't not.
It's a sports car. This is not a family car. It's a sports car made for the track, and we get to drive them on the roads.
Lovely. I think to an extent I want to correct you. That is a family car because my whole family loves it.
No, that's the thing. And unfortunately, it's only a two-seater.
Yeah.
So if you've got small kids, you can easily fit them in. And there are Cobras that's got two little seats at the back for people with very short legs, which is not us.
Not us.
But dude, thank you for being a part of the Cobra Association. We love you to bits. We love your car. We love the vibe that you bring to the association, and you know, many happy smiles in this car, many happy miles, and we love to see you at the next event.
Thanks, man. It's a privilege to be part of it. Thanks, man.
My bro, welkom.
Baie dankie Hendrik.
'n blou Cobra is baie spesiaal, want ek dink almal soek 'n blou Cobra. Dis hoe Cobras begin het. Daar's nou funky kleure, daar's rooi, daar's groen, daar's pers. Maar hoekom spesifiek het jy gegaan vir blou met wit?
Ja, omdat dit maar die oorspronklike kleur is. Ek meen, dit is soos jy sê, hulle het so uitgekom en dit is maar die mees algemeenste kleur. Maar ek moet sê die nuwe kleure wat uitkom, lyk baie goed. Maar ja, vir my was blou maar die beste.
So hoe lank is jy al 'n Cobra fan?
Ek het in 2019 hierdie ene gekoop en ja, hy was nie kompleet nie. Ek het hom maar so met die tyd gerestoreer soos wat ek hom wil hê, want jy weet mos elke uit sy eie smaak.
Maar dis nie lekker, want as jy nou kyk, so hier staan omtrent amper 30 karre, hulle is almal uniek. Daar's nie twee wat dieselfde lyk, selfe niks. So jy bou die kar soos jy hom wil hê.
Korrek, ja. Nee, soos ek sê, ek het hom interieur self gedoen soos ek wil hê. Ek het nou laas jaar nuwe gauges opgesit, soos wat ek wou gehad het.
Wat is die verste wat jy al met hom gery het, een enkele trip?
Welkom toe. 300 km en 300 km terug.
Selfde dag.
Ja, nee, dieselfde dag nie, oor 'n naweek.
Oor 'n naweek.
Yes.
So daar's geen verskoning dat jy ons gaan join wanneer ons Laagveld toe ry nie.
Ja?
Ons ry Nelspruit toe, dan gaan ons Sabie, Witrifuur, Pelgrims, daai areas, dan kom ons weer terug, jy's in.
Ek het gesien dit lyk na 'n lekker trip.
Baie dankie dat jy deel is van die Cobra Association. Dis ouens soos jy wat 'n passion het vir jou kar wat hierdie groep van ons spesiaal maak.
En ek wil vir jou baie dankie sê vir al jou moeite en effort wat jy insit.
Sê dit net harder en stadiger.
Baie dankie vir al jou moeite wat jy doen. Ons waardeer dit baie. Ek weet dis vandag is hier baie moeite in en jy's altyd besig.
Baie dankie en dankie om jou te hê.
Thanks.
Jason, so firstly, what is the caucus color Cobra here today, and why would you say blue?
Come on. At least it has black stripes.
En wanneer, van hoe lank af soek jy al 'n Cobra? Was jy ook ou, kyk meeste van ons as 'n laaitie, jy's 8 jaar oud, 9 jaar oud en sien 'n Cobra, het dit ook so vroeg vir jou begin?
Ja, voor my geboorte nog. Ja.
Saam met jou pa. Toe jy so eendag saam met jou pa loop oor jou maat
Toe ek nog in Baghdad was.